kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Hey. How y'all doing? Hello. Hey. What you doing? Oh.
Wait, I have Kermit the Frog.
You do have Kermit the Frog. Did you have a good day today? What? Yeah. Oh, thank you. That's ours. Are we gonna leave Kermit the Frog here?
Here?
Oh. Because it's Annie's, that's right.
Can I do it?
Can you do it? I bet you can. Big girl learned how to buckle up. Ah, yay! Can you do the other one? Oh, let me help. Let's see if Dad can do it. Ready, set. Hey, buddy, did you have a good day today? Look, watch, I'm gonna make it work. Now your water goes in there. Perfect.
Good.
Did y'all have a great day today?
Yep.